Today we're going to continue with our American Samba. Today, Samba Walks. Get your dance shoes on, join me on the floor. Let's do some Samba. Hi, and welcome to Sunstrike Dancesport. My name is Jim. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today we're going to learn a little bit more about our American Samba. Today we're going to learn about our Samba walk. This is a characteristic step for the Samba. Everyone knows it, and we're going to learn how to do it well, and look good doing it. Okay, so let's talk about the gentleman's part first. What we're going to do is we're going to take our weight, we're going to put it on our right foot. We'll have our left foot free. I'm going to do this toward the camera and then turn around, show you the back side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step forward. I bring my right foot in and back, pressure on my right toe, and I pull back for a slip. Okay, then I change feet, right foot forward, bring in and slip. Doing it from the back side, we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Again from the back side, leader's part, 1, 2, 1, 2. Doing the ladies' part, we're doing the mirror image, or the opposite. So instead of being on the weight on the right foot, we're going to have the weight on the left foot. And so we're going to be doing this from a promenade position. So we're going to be facing each other in a promenade position. Ladies' right foot is free. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, forward. Floor is a little tacky today, so I'm kind of sticking to it. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So from the back side, ladies' part, we have 1, So we have, let's do that again. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. The floor is a little sticky, so it makes that slip a little bit difficult. So let's talk a little bit about some of the technique on that. So one of the things that gets people on the Samba walk is that slip action. So if we could just demonstrate it from the side here, what we're going to do is we're going to take that forward foot and I bring the weight down so that the foot is flat, and then I come back on the toe, put a little bit of toe pressure on it, and then just slide it back. So for many people, that can be a very difficult action when they try to wing it. Sometimes that they bring it in and then they try to hop back to try to get the foot to come back. But we know that that's not the real action and we don't want that. So what we want to do is we want to think about our body weight, or our center of our body weight. So as I'm coming, as you notice, as I come doing that forward step, as I bring that leg, my right leg in, you'll notice that my center comes over the left foot. As I do that and I bring my foot back, my center is lined up with that left foot, which makes it very easy for me to pull it back. If my body weight is too far back, it makes it very difficult to pull it back, or if it was too far forward, that makes me want to pop or bounce. So what you want to do is we want to make sure that our center is over the standing leg when we do that, so that it will make the slip easier. Yes? Okay, good. All right, so that's our American Samba walk. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscription button, and please hit that or tap that bell for notifications. That way, when Sunstrike Dancesport has a video, you're going to know about it right away. As always, I thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you from Sunstrike Dancesport.